With Sharma, Virat, Kohli will come out to bat in good batting conditions. This pitch looks good. Oh, lovely shot. Just opening the face of the blade. 4 more. Beautifully played off his legs. That was sweet. More runs, reverse sweep. Intentions clear. That's in the air, taken. He's found the fielder. This is just what South Africa wanted. That's up in the air, they all go up.
It's clearly not hit the floor there. Thank you. Just take it all the way through to the catch.
Short. This time put away to the fence. That's in the air. Taken in the deep. 3rd wicket goes down.
Ryan gets hold of it, just over for 6. And he does. And he connects long.
He goes big and it's 6 runs. He goes big and handsome. 100 up for India in style.
Well, that's very close to being out. We'll have a look at the overthrows. They'll go away, but I think Quinton de Kock has done brilliantly there.
He goes big, does Dubé.
That single, 50 for Kohli, his first of this year's World Cup. That's in the air. Clears long gone. That's high. It's 6. Swings in the air. This should be taken. Rabada making no mistake.
Virat Kohli played a wonderful knock of 76.
That's over 3rd man, over the keeper, into the boundary. Swings in the air, taken in the deep. Good flat catch. That's up in the air. And the catch taken.
There are a lot of match winners who haven't yet fired in that South Africa dressing room.
Lovely shot from Reza Hendricks. Oh, knocks him over. This is just Preet Bumrah. Times it beautiful. It'll beat the fielder in the deep for 4. Oh, the edge. Rishabh Pant. Started slower. Oh, he's found the gap for 4. It's a good shot from Tristan Stubbs. Now Quinton de Kock.
It goes like a skyrocket. Moves across his stumps. Bowled in. Akshar Patel strikes. 6 runs.
And with things like that, when Heinrich Klaasen is batting the way that he likes to bat.
Terrific. That is a shot filled with great skill and power. Lovely. Goes for it again, straight to him.
But he does, on this occasion, it's on the roof.
He goes again.
Just to see how they've jumped ahead.
And that too brings up a Klaasen 50.
Little touch, yes, the break has done it. Oh, he's got him. He has done the job. Wide, Muller gets it, and he gets plenty of it, does he? No! What a catch! Oh my God! I don't believe what I've just seen. Athleticism at its very, very best. This is quite an incredible moment, folks. You won't believe what you've just seen.
Swings in the air, this should be taken. It's Surya Kumar Yadav. It's in the air. It's India who win the T20 World Cup after 17 years. The drought is over. An ICC tournament after 13. They all go to ground. They worked extremely hard for this. Have a look at the support staff there.
India win the World Cup, the 2024 version.